Team Tibo Foundation, greetings from Africa Development Mission Trust. My name is Pastor Denford Chizanga. We are representing our churches that are meeting in Zambia at the New Hope Christian Church, here in Zimbabwe at Macedonia, here also in Zimbabwe at Eastside Christian Church. We are meeting at Domboshava Christian Church, New Life Christian Church, and also our church in Mutoko. So we just wanted to say thank you very much. Your partnership with us has enabled us, to be able to reach out to people in our different communities who are living with disabilities. So this has in essence equipped or empowered our churches to be able to have this outreach, this ministry into people living with disabilities in our communities. But as we have gathered, celebrating our guests, one of the things that we are seeing is that our guests are also beginning to network and establish relationships among themselves. So besides us reaching out to them, it is also helping to create a network of people who are reaching out to one another, advising each other, encouraging each other in terms of how they can live with disabilities. And so we want to thank you for partnering with us. It has really empowered us, equipped us to reach out and develop an ongoing ministry towards those who are living with disabilities. So thank you very much, and may God bless you.